Hi guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we're going to be going over the new clearance markdowns and penny list for this week at Dollar General. But first, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video, and while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, first up, just a quick friendly reminder that I did upload our Sunday new coupons video, and we have tons of new coupons, tons of new glitches, and tons of overage. So if you missed that video, make sure that you go and check it out. It's going to be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Now, let's get into our new clearance markdowns and penny list for this week at Dollar General. Please keep in mind that these prices will not drop until Tuesday, November the 28th. Alright, so first up, we have our Jack Links going down to 90% off starting on Tuesday, November the 28th. There are a total of 6 different kinds in this category. Look high, look low, look everywhere you go. You can probably find them up near the register. I've also spotted these on end caps. Alright, now let's go ahead and talk about the penny list, because last week was absolutely crazy, and I kid you not, y'all, I am still finding penny items. I was just at the store yesterday, still finding penny items out there. So like I said, there are just tons and tons and tons of this stuff. Look high, look low, look everywhere you go. But keep in mind that because last week was such a big week, we have a lot of new penny shoppers joining us. So let's go over the rules really quick. So rule number 1, we do not ask the employees about penny items. We are not supposed to know about penny items, and the employees are supposed to pull the penny items off the shelf before they actually penny out. That is their job, okay? So if you go in there asking about a penny sale, a penny clearance event, penny items, penny list, any of those things, you're going to throw up a big red flag, and those employees are going to start scrambling around the store trying to find all of the penny items. So you basically just stuck your foot in your mouth, okay? We don't want to do that. Number 2, all you have to do is tune in to my YouTube channel every single week. I post the new clearance markdowns and penny list, usually Friday or Saturday. Sometimes life gets in the way and it's up Sunday, at the very latest Monday, but it's very, very rare that it goes up Monday. Usually it's around, holidays like today. We had Thanksgiving over the weekend. I spent some time with my family. So here we are on Monday. I'm posting the new clearance markdowns and penny list. So all you have to do is tune in, watch the video all the way through. Once Tuesday rolls around, you go into your local Dollar General store, look for the items that I'm going to show you all in these videos. If you find them, scan them with your Dollar General app and make sure that you have your correct store location set, because as with all clearance markdowns and penny lists, your miles may vary. If the price shows up at 000 or 001, that means that you have in fact found a penny item, and if you need it, the penny policy is posted over on the community tab. Now, I was also asked a couple of times last week about early activation, and unfortunately early activation does not apply to clearance markdowns or the penny list. So the prices will not change until first thing Tuesday morning when the doors open up at your Dollar General. Now let's go ahead and take a look at what is on our penny list for this week at Dollar General. First up, we have the Tough Stuff Bone Super Chew. Next, we have the Temptations Mix Up Cat Treats Surfer Delight flavor. Now, both of these items were on a previous penny list, and they did not penny out. So be careful with these two. Scan before you go up to the register. Next up, we have the Sun Chip Minis. Up next, we have the Jolly Rancher Hard Candy Fruity Bash flavor. And this is a peg bag, so make sure that you're checking on those end caps. And then we also have 4 party bags of candy. Here we have the Hershey's Nuggets. Next up, we have the Hershey's Miniature Mixed Bag. We also have the Hershey's Caramel Lovers Party Bag, as well as the Twizzlers and Jolly Rancher Party Bag. Y'all, I am so excited about all of these food items, and up next we have some frozen food items to be on the lookout for as well. Here we have the Frozen Tasty Choice Crab Meat. And then we also have several different types of berries. Now, we need to talk about these for just a second, because these could be in 2 different types of packaging, one or the other or both. So here we have the Good and Smart strawberries, or the Sunrise Growers strawberries. We also have the berry medley, so it's going to be like a fruit blend, and the blueberries. So as you all can see on some of the descriptions, it says Good and Smart. On some of the descriptions, it says Sunrise Growers. So there are 2 different pictures, kind of visuals for you guys to go off of and be on the lookout for. Now, let's go ahead and talk about hidden penny items, shall we? Because like I said, last week was absolutely crazy. And I kid y'all not, I literally went into Dollar General just yesterday on Sunday, and I'm still finding penny items, and I have been through that store at least 6 or 7 times since last Tuesday. So I'm still missing penny items, and they are definitely still out there. So look high, look low, look everywhere you go. Here are just a few that I found just yesterday. Now, I'm also putting together a few YouTube shorts to show you all how I am finding them and where I am finding these items. I think it's very easy for us to kind of trick ourselves into thinking, oh, we've got this, we know what all the Halloween items look like, or we know what all the lawn and garden items look like. But that's easy to say when they are all, right there in the section all together. But once these items penny out, they are scattered throughout the store, high, low, everywhere you go, and they don't stand out like they did before when everything was all together, nice, neat, and organized, right? So I think that's why a lot of pennies are getting overlooked. Now, I do want to give a huge shout out and thank you to Candace for sending in pictures of her hauls. These are always so helpful. She's even still finding purple dot out there, and this isn't even it. This isn't even her entire haul. So she literally racked up last week. Thank you so much, Candace, for sending in those pictures. And also huge shout out and thank you to Billy for sending in a hidden penny item. Now, this is actually a pop shelf table, normally priced at $20. Billy scanned it and snagged it up for just 1 penny. So here's the UPC. Here's a look at what the price tag looks like. So it is in fact a green square on the price tag. It does say S23. And I just wanted to share this picture again, just in case anybody missed it on the previous video. This is another pop shelf item that was sent in by another crazy couponer. Thank you so much for sending this in. Here's a look at the price tag. As you all can see, it stands out. It is not our normal Dollar General price tags. So if you see anything, out of place, scan. And if you are new to penny shopping, make sure that you go back and check out my other videos that I posted last week, going over all kinds of different categories, hidden penny items that you're going to find in their regular spots, such as storage. We have food storage containers, we have pictures, we have, oh my gosh, the list just goes on and on and on. We have accessories, we have duct tape, we have pens, pencils, coloring books, all kinds of goodies. So if you have missed out on any of those videos, make sure that you go and check them out. They're all going to be linked and listed for you in the pinned comment down below. So that's going to be it for me for now, but y'all make sure that you stick around and stay tuned, because I've got more crazy deals to share with you all. So before you go, don't forget to do all the things. Subscribe, hit that thumbs up button, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.